I'll be covering exception handling in Java. So the first step to understanding exception handling is to understand the general type of bugs you encounter in programming. So a bug is any code or any part during the execution of that code that doesn't turn out what you want to turn out. So the three types of bugs are: first, syntax bug; second, logic bugs; and third, code bugs. So syntax bugs relate to the conventions of the programming language you're using itself. So each type of language has its preferred syntax, and if you violate that syntax, then that code can't be parsed, and which prevents it from being compiling, which prevents it from being run. So example is that Java expects each line of code to be terminated with semicolon. C++, C Sharp, many other languages enforce this requirement too. But Python doesn't require semicolon. So you just have to account for like how you should use each language. The second type of bugs are logic bugs, and this is when the code compiles, it runs, but it gives you the wrong answer. And this happens when you haven't mapped out what each step of your program, each step your algorithm does. So for example, the getAverage function, it takes two operands and it should return their average. But if you only divide one operand by 2, the sum won't be correct. The third type of bugs are code bugs. This is when your code itself generates an error, and they can be divided into compile time or runtime. And this specifies during which process the bug occurs. And it's important to know whether a bug is compile time or runtime, so that you know like when you have to take care of it, like and how you should take care of it, because fixes for compile time and runtime errors are different. An example of a code bug is that when you're passing the wrong type of argument to a function. And that's it. Those are the three types of programming bugs: syntax bugs, logic bugs, and code bugs.